In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot the Google Chrome error code 404 on Windows. This is a common issue that many Chrome users encounter, often leaving them frustrated when they can't access the website they need. Fortunately, there's a simple solution, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. The first thing we're going to do is clear your browser's history and cache. Now, you might be wondering, why is this important? Well, sometimes the old data in your browser can cause errors, leading to issues like the 404 error. So it's a great idea to start fresh by clearing out that old data. Begin by opening Google Chrome. At the top right corner, you'll see 3 vertical dots. That's your menu button. Go ahead and give that a click. A drop-down menu will appear. From there, move your cursor to the word History and click on it. You'll see a new tab open with your browser history. Now, look for History again in this new page, usually over on the left side. Click it again to ensure you're in the right section. Next, we need to look to the left of your screen for an option that says Clear Browsing Data. Give it a click. You'll see a pop-up window where you can customize what you'd like to clear. Here, you want to set the time range to all time. This ensures that all the stored data, regardless of when it was saved, is included. You'll see checkboxes for several data types. In this instance, you should tick the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. These are the most common culprits for causing browsing issues. Make sure they're all selected. Once you've confirmed everything is set correctly, there's a blue button at the bottom labeled Clear Data. Go ahead and click on that. It might take a moment, but what it's doing is wiping the slate clean, eliminating any potentially problematic data that might have been cached incorrectly. After you've completed these steps, close the browser and restart Chrome to see if the error persists. By following this process, you should have cleared up any cached data or cookies that were contributing to the error. With any luck, your 404 error will now be a thing of the past. But remember, if the error continues, there might be other underlying issues that need professional attention, or it could be a temporary problem with the website itself. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips.